Hey EV enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the absolute monster that is the 2025 Tesla Model S Plaid. Buckle up, because this electric beast is about to blow your mind with numbers that sound more like science fiction than reality. Let's cut straight to what everyone wants to know. This three-motor monster packs a jaw-dropping 1,020 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right. Over 1,000 horses in a family sedan. What does that translate to in the real world? How about 0 to 60 in a mind-bending 2.1 seconds? We're talking faster than most people can say Tesla Model S Plaid. But here's what's truly insane. It'll run the quarter mile in just 9.4 seconds at 151 miles per hour. To put that in perspective, you could be at the drag strip smoking supercars that cost 3 times as much, then pick up your kids from soccer practice on the way home. Step inside, and you'll find Tesla's minimalist interior centered around that massive touchscreen. Is it perfect? No. Some controls are a bit buried in menus, and the interior quality doesn't quite match the latest from Mercedes or BMW. But here's a pro tip. Skip the optional yoke steering wheel and stick with the traditional round one. Trust me, your parking lot maneuvers will thank you. Speaking of practicality, pop that lift back and you've got 28 cubic feet of cargo space. Try fitting that much stuff in your average supercar. The cabin comfortably seats 5, making this possibly the only 1,000 horsepower vehicle that works as a legitimate family car. The Plaid comes with Tesla's Autopilot system standard, though let's be real, the full self-driving option still needs your attention behind the wheel. But the regular adaptive cruise control works great for those long highway stretches between stoplight drag races. Now you might be thinking, sure, it's fast in a straight line, but what about corners? Well, this 828-pound electric rocket can pull 1.08 G on the skidpad, numbers that would make many sports cars jealous. The secret sauce? That massive 99.3 kilowatt-hour battery pack sits low in the chassis, keeping the center of gravity down and helping this big sedan handle like something much smaller. But let's talk daily usability, because that's where the Plaid really shines. Unlike traditional super performance cars, you're looking at 359 miles of EPA-rated range. In our real-world highway testing at 75 miles per hour, we saw about 280 miles. Plenty for road trips, especially with Tesla's supercharger network at your disposal. Look, is the Model S platform showing its age in some areas? Sure, newer EVs like the Lucid Air offer more range and fancier interiors, but none of them quite nail this combination of face-melting performance and daily usability at this price point. The Plaid isn't just quick, it's hypercar quick, while still being able to handle Costco runs and family road trips. So, what's the verdict? After spending time with this electric rocket ship, I'm giving it a solid 9 out of 10. It's not perfect, but it's still the benchmark for EV performance, and nothing else on the market offers this kind of speed with such a practical package. The Model S Plaid isn't just a car, it's a glimpse into the future of performance, and that future is shockingly quick, surprisingly practical, and absolutely electric. All this performance comes with a starting price of $91,630, which, while not cheap, is a bargain compared to anything else this quick. What do you think about the Model S Plaid? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more EV content. Until next time, keep it charged. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.